Hey guys, today I will teach you how to set up LAN multiplayer. First, install the plugin from the link in the description. Once that's done, add the lobby controller to your lobby. Add the scene that you will travel to. If you're running two scenes on the same computer, turn this on. Now open the room player. Substitute this with how you get your player name. This will sync the names of the players in the lobby. Add the player controller to your player. Add the camera path if your player has a camera. This is where we will synchronize the properties and functions. We're going to synchronize the animation, the position of the player, the rotation of the player, and the die function. This will synchronize the die function. Delete the player from your scene. Add the world controller. Before we edit the settings, go to the world controller and make it a vector 3, because it's a 3D project. Now you can edit the settings. Let's look at what functions we're going to synchronize. We're going to sync the addMob function and the player hit. As you can see, we transferred the instructions into the addMob function. We did the same with the player hit. Let's test it. As you can see, it works. Let me show you how to add a leaderboard and a timer. You can use these functions to add things like a leaderboard, timer, and sync functions. You can also use these signals. I'm going to use this one to add the leaderboard and timer. You can also edit the settings of the lobby. As you can see, it works. Thanks for watching.